When it comes to pruning plants, nothing beats a giraffe. This walking hedge trimmer plays a major part in defining the nature of the African landscape. Giraffes love eating acacia trees and can pluck more than 75 pounds of leaves every day. Their leathery 20-inch long tongue seems unaffected by the acacia's spiniest defenses. Giraffe browsing is so severe that it can seriously damage trees and alter the way they grow. With years of pruning, the shape of the acacia changes constantly. Eventually, it develops a waist at about head height, where giraffes feed most easily. Then, when the very center of the tree is out of reach, it can finally escape from even the tallest hungry mouths.